Good. Whoa, whoa. Sit. Sit. Don't just drop your hands farther down. These go under.
Okay, Wolf. Ready? Go carry your angle, Wolf.
Oh my God, you're going to get me eating.
Buckle. Just
Oh.
pretty tight.
You can just relax a little, loosen up a little bit. Just relax.
Good. Bend your left as you trot.
Did you jump the angle? Okay, that one.
Now reach. Atta girl, halt.
I picked up Lily without her right arm because in her fell, so.
No, don't get me.
Stop.
Get Hillary.
Atta girl. Good for you.
Do me a favor.
Yeah.
You go get
All
Lily for
right,
me.
Caroline. One more time, sweetie.
Get. Okay.
Whoa, now. Slow down.
Wait, where is she?
I want everybody.
I need to go get Lily. Can you hold on to your camera?
Yeah.
Wait, get her going over the jump.
Wait, go. Good.
That's the worst thing.
Go, walk for a second, now you're done.
Good. Now keep this canter. Count that rhythm.
Wait, Julian, what should I do?
Just walk until everybody goes on the rail, just relax.
Really good. 2 reins.
What? I'm in there.
Up
See?
top for the
I'm going to kill you. You're dead. You're dead. You're dead. You're dead.
Off her feet. Good. Pop. There. Now roll.
What, honey?
Good girl. Trot. Go right behind Roxy. You're okay. Yeah, you're good. Now 2 reins smooth. Perfect, Caroline. She can end with that. That was really nice.